Loew's King's Theater, Brooklyn, New York. Have you ever entered a place so magnificent that you feel like you've entered a forgotten dream? That's exactly what Brooklyn's Loew's King's Theater offers. Opened in 1929, this opulent cinema is designed to make you feel like you're watching a film in an old European opera house. Picture it. Golden chandeliers, intricate crown molding, velvet curtains, and a breathtaking ceiling designed to replicate a night sky. Imagine the film reels rolling and the audience gasping at every twist and turn. But in the 1970s, Loew's King's Theater disappeared from public view. Its doors closed and the theater fell into disrepair. Now, after decades of neglect, it stands as a haunting shadow of its former glory. Yet, there's something fascinating about its ruins. Photographer Matt Lambros has spent countless hours documenting its beauty. It captures the eerie stillness of the once vibrant space, drawing attention to the ornate columns, curved staircases, and faded gold accents that are still visible. It's a place where time seems to stand still. The quiet echo of the past can be felt in every corner, and while it may no longer show films, it still tells a powerful story. Strolling through the space, you're almost transported back to a time when the theater was a beacon of entertainment, a place that transported people from their everyday lives to a world of glamour and glitz.